If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2018 Jeep Compass Latitude in billet silver. With halogen quad headlamps, daytime running lamp system, 17-inch silver painted aluminum wheels, exterior mirrors with heating element, bright daylight opening molding, power 8-way driving seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 7-inch cluster with colored driver information display, 7-inch touchscreen display, park view rear backup camera, dual zone temp control, rear 60/40 folding seat, remote USB port second row, 13.5 gallon fuel tank, 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3384A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.